Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: power, network, and a user account. Start Chrome now by clicking its icon on the desktop, taskbar, or via the Start/menu search. If you can't find it, type Chrome in the search box, then press Enter to launch. Once done, make sure Chrome updates automatically by checking the three-dot menu help about Google Chrome. This ensures security fixes and new features. It's why you want updates before heavy browsing or signing into accounts. You'll want a consistent browsing experience, so sign in with your Google account to sync bookmarks, history, and passwords. Once signed in, go to Settings to choose a default search engine, set a home page, and adjust privacy controls. This controls what is shared and blocked. Next, install only essential extensions from the Chrome Web Store and disable unused ones to keep performance smooth. Make sure to pin frequent tabs and organize bookmarks into folders for faster access during your workflow. You're ready to browse efficiently and safely. Use Incognito for private sessions and clear browsing data periodically to free space and protect privacy. Organize tabs with groups and mute noisy sites so you can focus. If a tab hangs, open Chrome's Task Manager with Shift+S to end it. If performance problems persist, restart Chrome, disable recently added extensions, or reset settings to defaults. These steps fix most issues. If nothing helps, reinstall Chrome. This fresh install often...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.